differences aside and unite Makabane. Unite Makabane, unite my comrades. Let us rise together, guided by the lessons of Uyinza, Sekhukhune, Mshweshwe, Uqetshwayo, Oliver Tambo, Mandela, and others, and the resilience of our people to build South Africa. Ngokuphetha ngizothi umkhonto wesizwe on the 26th of September kulo nyaka we adopted a constitution esisayiniwe nawumongameli wethu ubaba uNcamalala. I-constitution ngizocela nonke wonke umuntu oyilungu lomkhonto wesizwe abe nayo. The constitution is available in all official languages. Ikhona ngesiZulu, ikhona ngeSpedi, ikhona ngesiXhosa, ikhona nangeSindebele. Umuntu ayazi i-constitution. Ziningi izinto ezikhona kwi-constitution. Some of the values nama-principles ethu kumkhonto wesizwe. Viva mkhonto wesizwe, viva! Some of the values and principles ezikhona kumkhonto wesizwe kwi-constitution yethu are the following. Ubuntu, botho, ubuntu, umuntu ngabantu. Unity in action, enye ama-values akhona lawa kwi-constitution yethu. Pan-Africanism, kushuthi asibuki nje la kuphela eSouth Africa, amehlo ethu go far beyond the borders. Siyayiwela iLimpopo, siyiwele ngisho i-equator, siyofika le phezulu yonke i-Africa. I-approach yethu is Pan-Africans. Enye i-principle yethu is honesty and respect. Democratic centralism is another principle. Mandates, accountability and reporting.